Hello everyone, my name is Sahu from class 10. Today's my presentation topic is life process. Firstly, we understand what is life process. The basic function to maintain by the living organism on the earth is called life process. In this include nutrition, digestion, transportation, exertion. लाइफ प्रोसेस एक ऐसा फंक्शन है जिसमें लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म अपने बेसिक फंक्शन जैसे कि खाना खाना, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मतलब ब्लड सर्कुलेशन, ये सब करते हैं, उसको हम लोग लाइफ प्रोसेस बोलते हैं. नाउ न्यूट्रिशन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ इनटेक फूड बाय the process of intake food or nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, etc. by the living organism is called nutrition. In this include nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, etc., protein, etc. Now न्यूट्रिशन एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें कि लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म और ऑर्गेनिजम्स फूड लेते हैं ताकि वो अपने अंदर एनर्जी बना सके उसको यूटिलाइज करके. इस न्यूट्रिएंट्स इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ फैट्स, विटामिन्स एंड प्रोटीन एक्सेट्रा. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. फर्स्ट, ऑर्थोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन, द न्यूट्रिशन इन विच organisms synthesize their food by simple inorganic substance like CO2 and H2O is called autotrophic nutrition. Like example plants and green plants and bacteria. Now heterotrophic nutrition, the nutrition of the organism in which the organism can't synthesize their food, they obtain food from another organism is called heterotrophic nutrition. Now nutrition in plants, which is also called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which the plants take inorganic substance like CO2 and H2O to perform or maintain their life on earth or make their food like glucose in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll 2 is called photosynthesis. The raw materials required for photosynthesis are CO2, carbon dioxide, H2O means water, sunlight and chlorophyll 2. Steps of photosynthesis. First, absorption of light by chlorophyll 2. Second, conversion of light energy into a chemical energy and splitting the water molecules by hydrogen and oxygen. Now reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen. And third, make their food in chloroplast by using the raw materials. Now how plants exchange the gases. The stomata present in the leaves, which is very tiny, it is responsible for exchanging of gas of the plants. When the water stomata is surrounded by the guard cell, when water flow inside the guard cell means stomata open and water flow outside the guard cell means stomata is closed. Now nutrition of heterotrophic nutrition means it has three types. First, saprophytic nutrition. Second, parasitic nutrition. Third, holozoic nutrition. First, saprophytic nutrition, the nutrition in which organisms obtain their food from dead organisms or plants or animals is called saprophytic nutrition. Example, fungi. Now parasitic nutrition, the nutrition in which organisms obtain their food by another organism without killing them. Example, leech, tick, etc. Now holozoic nutrition, the nutrition in which the organism absorb or obtain their food by some process like interjection, digestion, absorption is called holozoic nutrition. Example, animals and human beings. Now food digestion in amoeba. First, amoeba go near the food particles and with the help of her finger-like structure called pedosovia make a vacuole inside her body and capture the food particle, then digest. Amoeba digest the food by in cytoplasm by diffusion process. Now exertion, the amoeba exert the food by removing the toxic waste material. Now digestion in human beings. First, it is the digestive system of human beings In first, the mouth has meant to think. Mouth has meant to work. First, break down the foods into small pieces and convert the starch into sugar. Now, we understand about mouth. Mouth is a Mouth is also called buccal cavity. In this, there are four types of teeth. First, incisor, canine, premolar, and molar, and one tongue is there which sense the taste of food. Now, we understand mouth. Mouth has four teeth, just we know, and salivary gland. Salivary gland secretes salivary enzyme which convert the starch into sugar form. Then the cut pieces or sugar go into esophagus, which is also called food pipe. Here is the esophagus. Then esophagus push into a stomach. Here is the stomach. Stomach secretes gastric juice which contain of HCl, means hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and mucus. HCl convert the food into acidic medium. Pepsin digest the protein, and mucus protect the walls of the stomach by HCl. We know that HCl is a very harmful acid that burn any of thing. Now, after convert the acidic medium of food, the food go into small intestine. The complete digestion of food is इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, मतलब जो कंप्लीट डाइजेशन होता है वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में ही खत्म होता है. अब जानते हैं स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के बारे में. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर लीवर और पैनक्रियास, और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन अपने हमारे बॉडी का सबसे लंबा ऑर्गन है जो कि 5 to 6 फीट तक रहता है. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन हैज लीवर एंड पैनक्रियास. फर्स्ट liver there is a gallbladder which secretes bile juice and bile salt. Bile juice digests the fat and break down and convert the acidic food into alkaline medium. Means the food which comes in acidic medium, it's converted the food into alkaline medium. Now it's go to pancreas. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice which secretes trypsin and lipids. Trypsin digests the proteins and lipids digest the fats. Here is the trypsin and fats. Just we can see the diagram. Also in the small intestine there is intestinal juice present in a small intestine, in whole small intestine, which is responsible for conversion of food like protein convert into amino acid, complex food material convert into glucose, carbohydrate convert into glucose, and other complex food particles convert into glycerol or other substance. Now the remaining food or undigested food go into large intestine. Here is large intestine which absorb the water, and the remaining undigested food go out through anus. Now the digestion process is complete, but the absorption of food is not complete. Here in the small intestine there is a small finger-like structure called villi. Villi are responsible for absorption of food of amino acid and glucose, etc. It is responsible for supplying the food into a cell's blood vessels. Now photosynthesis. Now respiration. Respiration is a process of releasing energy by the food material. It is a picture of our respiratory system in human beings. Now firstly we understand respiratory system in humans. In this only nose take the gases which convert which in the nose there are small hairs which stop the dust particles and the other air particles or the oxygen go into the tracheas. Tracheas are the rings which protect the windpipe. Also tracheas we also call windpipe. It is a small muscular tissue which protect windpipe or food pipe. Now the tracheas is divided into bronchioles. Bronchioles are divided into bronchi, and bronchi are divided into alveoli in the lungs. Alveoli are responsible for exchanging of gas in the blood vessels or the lungs. Alveoli are the main function perform main function help us to which help us to exchanging in gas. Alveoli are the balloon-like structure, just we can see in here. Now we understand respiration in plants. Respiration in plants occur in photosynthesis or in night. It is only use stomata for respiration. Only one method is true. Only one method the plants is take exchange gases is stomata. Now we understand circulatory system. First, circulatory system. The system in which the circulation is blood take place is called circulation system. In this, first we understand blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue with present in the all over the body. Now, blood consists of plasma. WBC means white blood cell and RBC means red blood cell or platelets. Plasma are the fluid liquids or aqueous in state which consist of RBC 90 to 92% of water and RBC and WBC. And WBC contains platelets. Now, WBC is also called immunity system of our body. WBC help us to give immunity. Now, WBC is responsible for exchanging the gases or the food inside the red blood cell. There are hemoglobins are present which gives it red color, or hemoglobin carries the oxygen. Now we understand about heart. Heart is a pumping organ which pump the blood into all over the body. Pump has 4 chambers: upper chamber in left side, upper chamber in right side, lower chamber in left side, lower chamber in right side. The left chamber is responsible for exchange of blood with lungs, and the other and the right side of the body is responsible for exchange of blood in the whole body. Now we understand about the more heart. Heart has arteries and ventricles which collect the blood from body and send into lungs and other parts of bodies. Now we understand about blood vessels. The vessels or the tubes which gives the blood to the whole body is called blood vessels. In this, it is 3 types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries are the big and thin layer of pipe which contain deoxygenated blood. Now wings are carrying pure oxygenated blood. Now capillaries connected the bloods send bloods from arteries to wings. Now we understand about transportation in plants. Transportation in plants occurs due to xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloems are the tube-like tissues which present in the every parts of the plants. Xylem are start from root and end with the top floor of water. Xylem is flow only one direction. In xylem only the translocation is take place. Translocation means जब प्लांट्स को वाटर की ज़रूरत होती है तब वो इवेपोरेशन के थ्रू वाटर को इवेपोरेट करके एटमॉस्फेयर में छोड़ देते हैं बाय स्टोमेटा, एंड जो रूट से जो पानी मिलता है उसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं और सारे पार्ट्स में पहुंचाते हैं. नाउ फ्लोएम आर द टिश्यू विच send the food or other particles into both the directions. Thank you.